Today I'm going to tell you the top 5 must-have skills to become rich. As you read this list, for every skill, I want you to ask yourself where you are on a scale of 0 to 5, so at the end of the list you should be able to tell. Number 1. Time management. Time management is the process of organizing and planning how to divide your time between specific activities. The time management is a beneficial skill to have. Good time management enables an individual to complete more in a shorter period of time, lower stress level, and leads to career success. Also, let me tell you the consequences of poor time management. Poor time management will always waste your time. For example, by scrolling through social media while doing an assignment, you're distracting yourself from the task and wasting your valuable time. Sometimes, by not knowing what to do next, you suffer from loss of control of your life. Don't forget the most crucial aspect. Poor time management typically makes the quality of your work suffer. Since managing your time is more about working on your energy, you must seek ways to conserve your body and mind to focus on the project that deserves your most attention. Number 2. Build self-discipline. It doesn't matter what you're trying to achieve. If you cannot discipline your actions, you're probably not going to get it. You might ask, what is discipline? Discipline is an essential idea in organizing human activities. In easy words, it's your ability to dig deep within yourself. If you want to get in shape, it means mastering your daily diet and hitting the gym every day. It doesn't matter what is going out there. Discipline means you'll take care of the essential tasks relating to your long-term goal before anything else. This might sound easy, but it's the number one reason why people fail. They are unable to discipline themselves. How do you develop discipline? Ask yourself what you want. Remind yourself why you started. Wake up and start doing. You'll feel motivated already. Put your goals somewhere where you can see them every day. Eliminate distractions. Practice prioritizing tasks. Start small. Write down your progress. Get rid of negative people. Number 3. Money management. Money management is the process of saving, budgeting, and investing money in the right way. The money management skill is a vital skill to achieve, because poor money management skills can lead to cycles of debt and financial strain. Money management is a strategic technique to make money yield the highest interest output value for any amount spent. It's impossible to become wealthy without money management skills. Business and investing is a game, and money is how we keep the score of the game. To become successful financially, you have to know how money works, and also you must have to understand how to control income and expenses. Another element you must effectively control over is your debt-to-equity ratio. To achieve big financial goals, you have to know how to take on debt and use debt to your advantage competently. The critical word in the world of money is cash flow, and the second most important word is leverage. Number 4. Read and read more. Successful people read a lot of books. Bill Gates, Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg, and other billionaires read far more books than the average person. According to Pew Research, the typical American reads about 4 books a year. Bill Gates told Time magazine that reading books for over an hour a day was a critical ingredient of his success. Although reading is better than watching a video, or listening to audiobooks, because the brain processes text differently from video or audio. When you watch a video, the visualization of the information happens on the screen. But when you read, the data is processed within and makes correlations to your internal memories and reality. Imagine you can absorb the knowledge someone gathered in a lifetime in a single week just by reading a book. Reading evolves your primary asset, which is yourself. I say, the more you read, the more you learn, and the more you learn, the more you earn. Number 5. Sales skill. The ability to sell is the number one skill in business. If you can't sell, then stop thinking about doing business. One of the most crucial jobs of an entrepreneur is selling. But unfortunately, selling is a task people hate. The reason people hate selling is that they are afraid of getting rejected. If you want to become an entrepreneur, you have to focus on selling. In this list, we didn't cover everything that is required to be a billionaire, but you will get the idea that how and what does it take to become wealthy in life. I think it's not hard to become rich. All you have to do is face your fear, but most of the people are afraid of their fear. Life will always push you around, and you can't do anything about it. But this is how life teaches us the most valuable things in life. Becoming rich is easier than ever before. There are over 46 million millionaires in the world today. This list will help you become rich, but remember one thing in life, that the journey of wealth is more important than the destination.